guys, welcome to another video. Top 5 fastest motorcycles in the world. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The price of this bike is $55,000 to $65,000. This high performance bike was manufactured by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. It has a it has a 998 cc inline 4 engine which produces a massive power of 300 horsepower. The aerodynamic design supports the bike for improvement in high stability. The fairings, fenders, and the wings are made by the lightweight carbon fiber. The bike is equipped with many advanced features. It's not a street legal bike. Suzuki Hayabusa. The price of this bike range up to $15,000 to $18,000. It was manufactured by Suzuki Company. It has a 1340, a 1340 cc inline 4 engine, and produces up to 200 horsepower. The design of the bike produces more comfortable seating for the user. This bike is also equipped with various advanced features. With a proper management, it can provide a trouble-free riding. The Lightning LS218. The price of this bike is $38,000. This bike was manufactured by the Lightning Motorcycles. It is an electric bike and powered up with liquid cooled 150 kilowatts electric motor. It produces a 200 horsepower. Wow. The bike is designed with Brembo brakes and forged with magnesium wheels. It has many high-tech features. This bike also got a record in the race winning pedigree. BMW S1000RR. This bike, the price of the bike is $16,995 to $19,995. It was manufactured by the BMW Motorrad. It has a liquid cooled 999 cc inline engine which produces up to 205 horsepower. The bike is designed with aerodynamically optimized windscreen and it has many high-tech features. It also has a record in electric motorcycle racing. Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. This bike price is $24,000 to $25,000. It was manufactured by Aprilia company. It has a 1099 cc V4 engine, which produces a 217 horsepower. The bike is designed with Smart EC 2.0 feature. It has many advanced gadgets equipped to it. This bike is also suited for street riding and best for racing.